Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I explain to you how to use your smartphone as a webcam in a simple way. Now, there are popular video calling apps like Microsoft Teams, Skype, and Google Meet. It allows you to host meetings no matter where you are. But, some computers do not have a webcam, or your laptop has a poor quality webcam. And they will use the DroidCam application, as this application supports both Android, iOS and Windows. DroidCam also allows you to connect your laptop or computer via Wi-Fi or with the help of a USB cable. The first step is to download and install the DroidCam client on your computer. Open your browser and type DroidCam client into the Google search box. And from the search results, click on the version for Windows, DroidCam client for Windows, and click on download. And wait for the DroidCam client to finish downloading. And after downloading application, go to the downloads folder and install the application. And the installation process does not require any settings. Just next and finish. And after installing the application on Windows, we now move to the mobile phone to download and run the application on the mobile phone. Open Google Play and type in the search box, DroidCam, and download and install the application. I will use the application via USB cable. For that, open Phone Settings and click on Developer Options, and enable USB Debugging. And if you see a dialog asking to allow USB debugging, click OK. This step is important, because USB connections are done over the Android Debug Bridge. Now, connect the USB cable between mobile phone and computer, and run the application on the phone. Click Next. Then got it. And give permission to take pictures, and record video, and also allow to record audio. And now, after connecting the phone to the computer via USB cable, and the IP address shown in front of you, if you will use the connection via Wi-Fi. Now open application from the computer. Change the port as it is on the mobile application, and click on refresh. And when the connection is made, the name of the camera will be written to you. Contact was made between them. Now click on the start button, and it will immediately start turning on the mobile camera as a webcam. You can now run applications, such as Skype and Google Meet, and use your mobile phone as a webcam. With simple steps, the mobile was turned on like a webcam. I hope the video is useful to you. And thank you for watching, and I also hope to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.